In this video, I'll show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. This is useful if you want to switch back to a normal Facebook profile, remove creator tools, and disable Facebook professional dashboard features. First, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com if you're using a browser. Now, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the top left. Next, tap the three dots on your profile page. Scroll down and look for Turn Off Professional Mode. Tap on it, and Facebook will show a warning about changes to your account. Just tap Continue, then confirm by tapping Turn Off. Now, wait a few seconds while it updates your account. To confirm it worked, go back to your profile. If you no longer see Professional Dashboard or Digital Creator, it means Professional Mode is successfully turned off. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now back to a personal profile. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips, account settings guides, and how-to tutorials.